computer failures, and miraculous recoveries. Voyager 1's journey hasn't been without terrifying moments that nearly ended the mission forever. In November 2023, the spacecraft suddenly stopped sending coherent data, instead transmitting meaningless streams of binary code that completely baffled NASA engineers. The problem actually originated in the flight data system, where a corrupted memory chip prevented normal operations. Now, this failure was particularly alarming because it affected the spacecraft's ability to communicate with Earth. While Voyager 1's radio signal remained strong, indicating the antenna was properly aligned, the data it transmitted was just complete gibberish. Engineers faced the nightmare scenario of losing contact with humanity's most distant explorer, just as it was making groundbreaking discoveries in interstellar space. The solution, though, required extraordinary ingenuity. NASA engineers spent months analyzing the corrupted memory, eventually determining that about 3% of the flight data system's memory had been damaged. They developed a workaround that relocated essential code to undamaged memory sections, essentially performing remote surgery on a computer 15 billion miles away. The repair process was agonizingly slow. Each command took 22.5 hours to reach Voyager 1, and responses took another 22.5 hours to return to Earth.